Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to disable Microsoft Family Safety. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is useful if you want to manage restrictions or allow certain features without interruptions. First, go to the search bar on your Windows computer and type in Firewall. From the results, click on Windows Defender Firewall to open it. Once the firewall window opens, look to the left-hand side and click on the option that says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. After that, you'll need to click on Change Settings. This step allows you to modify which apps are allowed or blocked by the firewall. You may need administrator permission to proceed here. Now, scroll down through the list of apps until you find Microsoft Family Safety. Once you locate it, you'll see checkboxes next to it. If you want to turn it off, simply uncheck the boxes to disable access through the firewall and then click on OK button. If you want to turn it on, make sure the boxes are checked. It's also a good idea to ensure that the private network option is enabled, depending on your setup, so the feature works properly in your environment. Once you've made your changes, click on OK to save everything. And that's it. So, that's basically how you can disable Microsoft Family Safety. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.